man and this and that. No, me no see no mind man receipt for my book. But if you no give me, I will take it. Because the only thing you make me look like a rich girl. Uno over here make me look like a rich girl. I love the rich girls. So because half the money me have to pay for wedding, pay for Paris school, pay for house of foreign, pay for man, pay for this, pay for that, pay for bills, pay. So much money me have. And I beg on TikTok make it make sense. And everybody on TikTok knows so me I least rank we make money. Me I least rank we make money. Me I least rank we make money. Because everybody me play with tell me every day. Say, me not consistent. So me at least beg blood clot one pound this. If me beg 2 days, me not even know if I beg 5 days blood clot straight. So me I want come me I want come just there just do things and I do things and I do things. And I mind, but give me it. If you say my mind, man, let me mind them. In a real blood clot, like no boy will fuck out my hole. No boy will fuck out my hole. Could you tell me if you pay him for watch my baby? A liar tell. And you say me even say me I go pay your pussy, give me back my money. The kind gesture what I do for you. The kind gesture what I say everything on the laugh off and not talking real facts in an argument. You can then in my house and fuck me. They in their blood clot out. Everywhere me there, they behind blood clot me. And when me look, me I go do my surgery. Hey boy, hold my hand and push a blood clot stroller. Let's go. And you kiss me upon my forehead. You kiss me upon my forehead and say, baby, I'm waiting on you to come out. You're crazy? You're crazy? $700 wear. You have to go fuck that $700 there with me. And we all know Kino don't have dollar. I first Kino look like he eat too much food. Because you know say, Ivany not really cookie I take out. She do right through morning, noon and night. So, me understand you know. Well, if you never know, you have Yankee worker, you have bum niggas. And him is a bum bitch. Kino is a bum bitch, but him young, him bummish. If I was Kino, me come back with Ivany. At this point, all I left for do. And them little fool as someone no need for them with like Kino for getting no papers. You know a fucking idiot? Read the room. Go and go look some little idiot like Kino and start cook, give them and mind them. And make them go on no blood clot fucking green card. You know a idiot? And them little Yankee shit there when you go there with. Go up on the internet like Ivany. You know what's Ivany teach no fun enough things and no blood clot listen. And now watch your room. Go look one little idiot hold on with each up a foreign and I say, oh no, I go straight. Go on in I would, go on in I get a go look one little get a boy because you can cook, clean and wash. You might lay down on the couch at the time, but that no matter. You might be a video game. That no matter, that no matter. That no matter if him do all of that. Once you get a green card, true or false, you don't need a young Kino in life. Because you see Ivany have Kino like a puppet on a blood clot string. Even though we know it's Ivany will pay Kino for do all of this madness, but me can't pay a man for enough to embarrass myself. As some know say someone delusional no blood clot. Me could never pay him, me could not hungry for people money so. For actually come and blood clot this and make myself look like a ass. Me nah prank so, No. And I guess I will go back to blood clot morals. And I'll prank people and put on my baby in it. We obviously know that it is crazy how she make a whole video about me minding manner. Anybody there in this boat, she never call my name, go suck your mother. Because the whole world knows say, and me Ivany attack. Make Ivany say it in her video. No peace there, because she know me that go answer. She know me that go answer. Remember I say my back brother Mickey and call her name. I don't care if she not call mine. But you don't need a blood clot in a class. All the deaf, blind and can't see. No Sammy Ivany attack. And everybody else say Ivany never call her name. Up to now, Ivany never say I never miss she attack. You notice that part there? Up to now when my cuss and give her 40 days what day ya. Up to now. She don't say I me she attack. She what she gonna do? She gonna do a next video with me again. We all know. So all I know the hypocrite, dirty blood clotted in a comment section I come talk about. And are you the girl I thought the girl never call her name. At 2025, we not pay ABC at 1, 2, 3. We send Pitney school go do them blood clots sitting there. This is not the time when she not call me name, so I not answer. Them days the blood clot done. You know a girl a come for you, go back for her. When I do sit down and wait for people to come cut me throat and say this and that. When you's a fool, stop it. Stop it. It's 2025. People choose shade at you, take your shade. take your blood clot shade. Either you go back in your son and make your son burn you. We know what shade is. We know what shading is. People shade you, not because them not call your name. Because nobody no need glasses to know some me she attack. And I want him to know about TikTok and people. Yes, when cussing a go on, people come back, come say, and not even she me that talk and she take it up on her head. She never said that. You know what she do? She troll me even more. Vanya, one thing you say wrong in your video though. I know $15,000 one for your chair. And $15,000 for your whole eye blood clot chair them. 15. Yes, I'm going to pay $15,000 one for your chair. Girl, you mad? A $15,000 for your whole eye white chair them. Fix it. You mad? If I don't, me that go pay my as well, me get the wedding looking chair them. With the glass up money something. No. 15,000 I pay for 25 chair. 15,000 Jamaican dollar. That was a deal for the cheap wedding. My name didn't want a chair cover because people they never want to sit up.